Alright, just a quick video to show me and maybe somebody else the difference. I never know these, and I should know them, but I don't as long as I've been doing lasering. But anyhow, this is a Lenmark with a 100-watt fiber using a rotary table, and we're going to test and see what green ends and none of this checked versus green ends, these checked, red ends, no checks, and red ends checked. It's the same thing, just duplicated on top of itself. All other parameters are the same. Preview mark. So select those to run. Alright, they're all running. And the time difference is what the biggest difference I saw. I think 24 seconds was the most, and 16 seconds was probably the least. I think the green lines with nothing checked is the fastest. So let's see here. We're gonna go with Mark, and I'm not worried about the parameters or quality, just understanding. So it's doing individuals. Now this one here is gonna do it in a sweep. I don't know what these terms are. If you want to give me the correct terms, we'll call this one 1, that one 2, that one 3, and that one 4. See how much longer that's taking? That's the green ends checked. This is the red ends not checked. So it's jumping all around. I think I got them in ascending order. Descending order, where the quickest one was first. Now this one here should be the slowest one. And again, that's the red one with the check marks on equalize and calculate. As far as quality, I haven't been looking at quality. I didn't even worry about the necessarily the parameters. There it is. And that total run time was 1:37 here at the bottom. If I wanted to look at them individually, I'd have to take the rotation and just select one and then select the, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, I was just trying to learn what the biggest difference was between the red ends, no red ends, and when to calculate and when not to calculate. I hadn't tried to optimize line ends and remove line ends to see what difference it would possibly make, but anyway, there you go. And that's with the 100 watt Feeltek head. Of course, I'm not utilizing that, and again, I'm doing some rotary work, and that's where it came up, trying to maximize the potential time. Have a good day.